How to fix a dead pixel for free. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can fix a dead pixel for free. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's dive in. So first you have to right click on your PC and then you have to choose display settings over here. And now in this menu you can see you have your display resolution. You just have to copy this display resolution over here and then go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you have on your PC. And here you have to just type your resolution and choose the aspect ratio for it, and you can see you have the aspect ratio of 16:9. Now add a plus tab over here and then just write 16:9 and then write dead pixel fix and press enter. Now you have to go to the videos over here and just open any video over here and play it and just let it play for 1 hour. That's the total time, and it's going to fix the dead pixel for you. So that's the process that you can follow to fix a dead pixel for free. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.